Hi everyone, in today's video, I'll show you guys how you can add your Vanilla Visa card to your Apple Wallet. Well, it's quite easy. So first of all, you'll have to get a application called Pass to You Wallet, just like this. So in order to get it, you can simply get to your App Store and simply search for Pass to You. After searching it here, you can see this is the particular application. Tap on it and simply install this. So after doing that, you can simply open the Pass to You wallet application just like this. And here, tap on Pass Store right here. After doing that, tap on the search icon right here and start typing Vanilla Visa. After doing that, tap on Done and search for it. And in here, you can see this is the Vanilla Visa card. So simply tap on it. And after doing that, here you can simply tap on Next right here. So in here, you can simply write down your CVV by simply tapping on this pencil-like icon right here. You can add your card number, your CVV, and confirm it. You can write down your balance in here. You can even add down your barcode by simply tapping on this pencil-like button on the bottom right here. After doing that, simply tap on it and you can either enter the barcode or you can tap on this icon right here and simply scan it. So after doing all of this, now what you're going to do is tap on the done option on the top right corner right here. And after doing that, simply tap on add right here. So after doing that, here you can go back and simply open your Apple Wallet just like this. And here you can see we have now successfully added our Vanilla Visa card to our Apple Wallet. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.